Hi everyone! We've prepared a guide on how to use the Risk Manager in the CScalp trading terminal. What is the Risk Manager? The Risk Manager is a feature that automatically controls a trader's risk. The trader sets rules in the Risk Manager according to their own risk management plan. If the trader breaks a rule, the Risk Manager blocks trading. No new positions can be opened, nor can current ones be increased. It also cancels active limit orders. Depending on the settings, after blocking, the user can manually close open positions, or the Risk Manager can forcibly close them at market price. The trader can turn the Risk Manager on or off at their discretion. However, once the Risk Manager is active during a trading session, rules cannot be turned off, changed, or deleted until the session ends. The Risk Manager works with perpetual USDT futures on Bybit, Binance, and OKX. How to create a rule. Open the Risk Manager tab in the main menu. The parameters are connection. Choose which connections the Risk Manager will work on. You can select one, several, or all available connections. If you select all, any newly added connection will also be covered by the Risk Manager rules. Session, the time when the rule is active. This is based on the trader's computer time. Session rule, one time or daily. One-time rules work for a single session and then delete themselves. Daily rules run every day at the specified time until manually deleted. Loss calculation, in currency or in percentage of deposit. The percentage option only works for one connection. Loss, the allowable loss per connections. With the all option, losses are summed across all connections. If only one connection is added, loss can be set in currency or percentage of deposit. If the trader chooses loss calculation as a percentage of deposit, the Risk Manager checks the deposit at the start of the session and calculates the percentage from that. Example: a trader's deposit at session start is $10. They set a 50% loss limit. The allowable loss is $5. The Risk Manager will block trading if the loss reaches $5. Deposit size can change during the session, but the loss limit remains based on the deposit size at session start. To calculate deposit percentage, the connection must be set up and in trading mode, not viewing mode, at session start. You can use whole and decimal numbers for loss settings. Trading fees are included in the loss calculation, total trades, max number of trades per session. For example, setting 10 means only 10 trades can be made during the session. Note, the Risk Manager counts every buy and sell order as a separate trade. If an exchange splits an order into 3 purchases, that counts as 3 trades. Max loss per trade. Max loss allowed on a single trade. For example, if set to $10 and a trade closes with a $10 loss, trading is blocked regardless of total loss. Number of losing trades, max allowed losing trades. If set to 10, after 10 losing trades, trading is blocked. Consecutive losing trades, max number of losing trades in a row. If set to 5, trading is blocked after 5 losing trades consecutively. Include current open positions. If enabled, the Risk Manager counts losses from both closed and open positions. If enabled, drawdown is multiplied by 1.15, so you must exceed the limit by 15% to block trading. If disabled, only closed positions losses are counted. Blocking method, 2 options, soft and hard. Soft blocks trading and cancels all active limit orders. The trader can manually close positions using hotkeys. Hard blocks trading, cancels all active limit orders, and forcibly closes positions at market price. Block duration, time to block trading after rule violation, from 15 minutes up to the end of the current day. Options, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 2 hours apply even after the trading session ends. For example, if the trader chooses 30 minutes and 15 minutes remain in the session, trading will be blocked for 30 minutes total. 15 minutes until session end, plus 15 minutes after. The until session ends option blocks trading until the session ends, even if only a minute remains. When the session ends, the risk manager unblocks trading. The until end of day option blocks trading until 23:59 of the current calendar day, based on user's computer time. To create a rule, click Add after setting parameters. To activate a rule, toggle the switch. Rules can be edited only when disabled. To edit, click the gear icon. Once active, rules cannot be changed, disabled, or deleted until session end. You can download the terminal for free via the QR code on the screen or the link in the description.